Okay. So we find the value of b. All right. Now after that, let's try to find one more point is left, and what is that? Point C. Now let's see, C is the intersection of which line? The green line and the black line. And what is the green line? Okay, so let's write down what is the green line. 5x plus 2y equal to 400. And what is the black line? It is 5x plus 4y equal to 160, right? So yeah, write down. So we have 4C. Okay, 4C. What is the intersection? This green line, and this green line is 5x plus 2y equal to 400, right? Solving, five x plus 4y, how much? Sorry, 5x plus 2y. 5x plus 2y equals to 400. And what is the black line? C is the intersection of green, and what is the black line? 5x plus 4y equals to 640. 5x plus 4y, 5x plus 4y equals to 640. Now how to solve here? Coefficient of x are equal, right? So simply we can subtract this, right? So let's see, from this equation subtract this equation. Write down the equation here. So 5x plus 4y equals 640. Another equation is 5x plus 2y equals to 400. Now subtract it, and what we 5x and 5x will be cancelled. So 4y minus 2y will be 2y. 640 minus 400 will be 240. So what is the value of y? It's 120. So the value of y is 120. Now put back the value of y in any of this equation, right? So here you can write putting y equals to 120 in where? Okay, let's say 5x plus 2y equals to 400. Okay, so what should be the answer here? So in this case, what we will get? 5x plus 2 into 120. So 2 into 120 equals to 400. Now if you solve this equation, so what is the value of x? See, 400 minus 240 will be 160, right? So 160 divided by 5, so it will give you 32. So my coordinate of C is going to be, x coordinate is 32, y coordinate is 120, right? Okay, so that's how we find all the values of b. B is 80 comma 60. So write down b is how much? B was 80 comma 60. And what is the value of C? C was how much? 32 comma 120. So it is how much? 32 comma 120, right? Is it? Yeah. Now, so now after that, all we have to look is here. Now what is that? Okay, lastly we have to look at this value of z, 12,000x plus 15,000, and what we have to do? We have to do is minimize. Okay, so here now write down at a, what is a? What is a? A is 160 comma 0, at A 160 comma 0. What is Z? Okay, Z we know is 12,000 into X 160 plus 15,000 into Y, which is 0. So this part will be 0 and this, okay, and this will now 16 into 12, this will give how much? 192. And how many zeros? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4, right? Similarly, write down at B, right? And what is B? 80 comma 60. At B 80 comma 60, what is that? It will be 12,000 into, what is this? It will be 80 plus 15,000 into, what is Y? 60. Okay, so I mean here we need to do a little bit of calculation. Okay, all right. After doing a little bit of calculation, you will get this value 1861234, right? So that is at B. Now let's calculate at C. Okay, what is C? 32 comma 120. So the value of Z is going to be 12,000 into, what is X here? 32 plus, what is